Maple syrup as a coffee sweetener makes a strong case the moment you take the first sip. Unlike plain white sugar, pure maple brings caramel and nutty notes that round out coffee's acidity and highlight chocolatey or fruity undertones. Those flavor layers create a more nuanced cup without masking the beans. Beyond taste, maple contains small amounts of minerals and antioxidants, manganese, zinc, and phenolic compounds that refined sugar lacks. And while it is still a sweetener and should be used with care, maple has a lower glycemic index than table sugar, which means it can raise blood sugar more slowly for some people. For anyone looking to deepen their coffee experience while keeping their ingredients simple and real, maple syrup is worth a try. How you use maple matters. Start by choosing a true maple syrup. Look for labels that say 100% pure maple rather than maple-flavored syrups, which are often corn syrup-based and miss both the flavor and nutrient profile. Graded darker syrups tend to offer bolder, more caramel-forward flavors that stand up well in strong coffee and cold brew. Lighter grades are subtler and pair nicely with milder roasts or milk-forward drinks. In hot coffee, a teaspoon or two dissolves easily and integrates into the cup. For iced coffee or cold brew, first mix the syrup with a little hot water or dissolve it into the milk to avoid clumping. Maple also plays well with spices. Cinnamon, cardamom, or a pinch of sea salt can amplify its complexity, and with dairy or plant milks, where the syrup's brown sugar tones complement creamy textures. Nutritionally, while maple doesn't transform coffee into a health food, choosing it over refined sugar can add trace minerals and antioxidants and may produce a gentler blood sugar response for some drinkers. That said, portion control remains important. Maple is calorie-dense and should be treated as a flavorful ingredient rather than a zero-calorie alternative. If you're curious, try a simple swap. Replace 1 teaspoon of sugar with 1 teaspoon of pure maple in your regular cup and notice the difference in depth and finish. Experiment with grades and ratios until you hit the balance that brings out the best in your beans. If you roast or buy single-origin coffee, note how maple interacts differently with light, medium, and dark roasts. Keep a tasting notebook so you can track what combinations you enjoy. For ethically minded shoppers, buying locally produced maple supports small producers and often ensures fresher syrup. Want more practical tips? Leave a comment with your coffee style and I'll suggest a maple pairing, or sign up for short updates where I share quick flavor experiments and sourcing tips. Try it for a week and decide. Your morning cup might become more than a routine. It could become a small ritual that's both tastier and a little more thoughtful. Remember this: a healthy body is a healthy you. Cheers to you. Don't forget to subscribe to keep updated on the latest health news. Thank you.